Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the prestigious Mango Walk, one of Montego Bay's most coveted residential communities. This remarkable house offers an unparalleled blend of luxury and convenience. Positioned with unrivaled proximity to modern amenities, including hospitals, banks, and a police station. The residence boasts a commanding view of the bustling Sangster International Airport. The expansive property spans zero point 0.3 acres, providing ample outdoor space for relaxation and recreation. The meticulously designed house encompasses 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, ensuring spacious and comfortable living. Additionally, a dedicated helper's quarters adds practicality to the layout. With a generous 6,000 square feet of living space, the residence stands as an ideal income generator or a private haven. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.